What's up guys? Good afternoon. Just got off of work. Today is gorgeous out. Got the windows down, sport mode's on. Get some crackles and pops for everybody here. What I have done. Alrighty then. Typical Charlotte road rage.